Hello to all you lovely people. You're watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, leading you into the world of digital currencies. And here are the headlines. Money laundering, terror funding are the biggest threats to crypto, says Finance Minister. Indian crypto exchange WazirX CEO, co-founder shift base to Dubai. Cryptocurrencies climb, Bitcoin set to nudge $41,000 again. Crypto financial services firm Blockchain.com aims to go public this year. Ethereum Foundation reveals holding of $1.6 billion in treasury assets. Metaverse firm The Sandbox to raise $400 million at $4 billion valuation. KuCoin launches $100 million fund for NFT creators. UK crypto industry awaits clarity from new stablecoin rules. Speaking at an International Monetary Fund seminar, Nirmala Sitharaman warned that money laundering and the financing of terrorism remained the two biggest threats. The minister argued that crypto transactions have become huge and need to be brought under a regulatory framework. As long as the non-governmental activity of the crypto assets is through unhosted wallets, regulation is going to be very difficult, she said. However, she conceded that the technology can make cross-border payments more effective through central bank-driven currencies. Sitharaman justified the new crypto taxation regime by stating, "We haven't said that this is a currency. We haven't said that this has intrinsic value, but certain operations are taxable for the sovereign, and that is why we have taxed," she said. She has also said that the Reserve Bank of India is working on launching India's own digital currency, as was declared at the Budget 2022. She also said that taxation on crypto assets will be implemented first. India's biggest cryptocurrency exchange, WazirX CEO Nishchal Shetty and co-founder Siddharth Menon have shifted their base to Dubai a few days ago, reports citing multiple sources. The move comes after India hardened its stance on digital assets by slapping a 30% tax on income earned from trades in cryptocurrency and a 1% tax deduction at source, causing trading volumes on crypto exchanges to plummet by over 50%. According to reports, Shetty and Menon have moved out of India with their families to Dubai, although WazirX still has an office in Mumbai and Mangaluru. However, WazirX's third co-founder and chief technology officer, Sameer Matre, continues to operate from India. India's Enforcement Directorate had issued a show-cause notice to Shetty in June last year for alleged violation of Foreign Exchanges Management Act for cryptocurrency deals worth Rs 2,790.74 crores. Although he has said that the exchange is compliant with all applicable laws. Shetty has been vocal on social media platforms, including Twitter, on the Indian government's stance on crypto taxation, saying that the move will impact the homegrown players and lead to wealth drain from the country. Cryptocurrencies traded higher, with Bitcoin briefly climbing over $41,000 in intraday trades on hopes of robust economic growth amid institutional buying. The dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against 6 major currencies, rose past 101 for the first time since March 2020 on Tuesday, supported by higher US Treasury yields. The measure has reportedly gained over 2.5% so far this month. Historically, however, Bitcoin's price has moved in the opposite direction to the dollar index, data over the past decade show. Still, April has historically been good for the digital gold. Aiding cryptocurrencies' climb was lower crude oil prices, with WTI crude and Brent crude trading lower by over 3%. Investors also waited the release of US PMI, with several analysts expecting manufacturing activity to show robust growth, offsetting the Federal Reserve rate hike. US stocks, however, traded mixed, with Dow Jones and S&P 500 indices trading in the green, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq traded flat with a downward bias. Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency, was recently seen trading at around $40,900, up over 4% in the past 24 hours. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded above $3,000, up over 4% in the same time frame. All other major altcoins, including Luna, Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche, too traded higher. Crypto exchange and wallet service Blockchain.com plans to go public as early as this year, reports said. The Luxembourg-based crypto finance service provider is holding negotiations with merchant bankers on the matter. If Blockchain.com succeeds in going public, it will be only the second crypto exchange in the US to tap the market. Coinbase was the first to go public in 2021 at an opening price of $381 per share of the native token coin, with a valuation of nearly $100 billion. Blockchain.com is currently valued at about $14 billion following a funding round last month. The potential IPO comes up as the company ramps up marketing to expand its retail base in the US through a sponsorship deal with the Dallas Cowboys. Blockchain.com, which has its roots in the UK, began as the first Bitcoin block explorer in 2011 and later created a popular crypto wallet application. The Ethereum Foundation, the non-profit organization that supports the Ethereum ecosystem, disclosed that it held approximately $1.6 billion worth of financial assets at end March. This is a maiden attempt by the foundation to disclose the details of its treasury. Almost $1.29 billion was held in Ether, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. That represented over 0.29% of the total supply of Ether as of March 31st. Some $11 million was held in other cryptocurrencies. The treasury also included about $300 million in non-crypto investments, though the foundation did not disclose the investments. However, in response to the rising Ether prices, the EF revealed plans to increase these holdings in order to maintain a higher level of safety. Stressing that it has long-term mindset, the foundation said that the impact of its community will be measured in decades and centuries, not quarters and fiscal years. Metaverse firm The Sandbox is looking to raise $400 million at a valuation of more than $4 billion. The platform is in talks with the new and existing investors, the report said, citing people familiar with the matter. The Sandbox is a platform built on the Ethereum blockchain, which allows users to buy, sell, trade, and own assets in a virtual world. Assets are bought and sold in the form of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, and can represent plots of land, car, art, and other property. The platform's native token, SAND, is currently trading at $2.94, up by almost 11% in the last 24 hours, and its market capitalization also increased by 11% in the same time period to $3.4 billion. Well, that's all for the bulletin of this hour. Keep watching Crypto TV, India's first 24/7 streaming crypto channel. I'm Vinita Chatterjee, signing off.